Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Moments with Maurice. So today I wanted to, excuse me if you hear background noise. I live in an older house, my washing dryer is in my kitchen. But anyways, which is a picture I don't like, but whatever, I'm here. So anyways, I wanted to just do a quick unboxing of my new products that I got off of Amazon. I am in no way in shape or form affiliated with these products, but I saw that they were they had very high reviews on Amazon, so I purchased them. So just the reason why I purchased them is because starting tomorrow, I am really going to take my health seriously. And there's a couple reasons why. I'm getting up in age. One, which 39 is not old, but I can definitely tell my body is changing, shifting. I've been in the military, I've been a police officer, so do roofing, or did roofing. We'll talk about that later. So I decided that part of this health journey not would just be eating better, not would just be in the gym, but also be juicing 3 times a week to cut calories for health reasons. Also have some slight blood pressure issues that I'm working away as well. And so overall, man, I just want to be a lot more healthier. And so this is the part of the journey that I'm going to take to do that. So I got these. I'm going to start my juicing today. I'm going to make my juicing today in preparation for tomorrow. And this could just be an unboxing. I don't know why I want to keep using unboxings, but it also could be me actually using it. So I picked up these bottles for the juicing off of Amazon, like I said, and I'm going to open these up and show you what they are. Have I juiced before? Yes, I've juiced before, but it was a long time ago, and I wasn't really knowledgeable about the process or what it all entailed. I've done some research now, so that'll help me. But I got the SNUVID glass bottles, 18 ounce, and so we're gonna get those opened up first and see what they're all about. And I already got some of my vegetables here that I'm gonna use. We had some mango this morning for breakfast, so got my bottles here. There's nothing in there. They're glass bottles, and like that. Probably should have got plastic because I do want to take these with me when I go to school and stuff. I'm guessing this is a cleaner. And I know they're supposed to come with some straws here. And 2 straws and 2 lids with straws in them that the straws are able to go through. Got 2 of those. And it has 8 bottles total. I'm guessing this would be a straw cleaner, and not really sure what this is yet. But here goes the 8 bottles. All those out. They're nice thick bottles. Kind of remind me of like the mason jar thickness. Maybe one day I'll get to the point where people will be able to send me stuff for free. That'd be great. Just kind of want to make sure I'm cleaning up as I go. When I ordered these, I just saw the reviews. I didn't even make sure that they're like microwave safe. They're glass. I'm pretty sure they are. There's another there. And thank you card from Sarah. You're welcome, Sarah. And they come with a 1-year limited warranty. And some stickers that I will not use. So I'm just gonna throw those in the trash along with this box. so back to the juicing. So ultimately, I'm probably the second heaviest I've ever been. I think back in 2016, I was probably like 283. So I sat on the scale this morning, I think I was 253. My goal weight is to be around the 190 range, 190, 200 range. I think I've been there back in 2016, and I was a little bit skinnier than I want to, but I work out differently this time. I do a lot of cardio to drop a lot of weight. Wasn't really muscular like that. I was really skinny. So I don't want to be really skinny because I want to be a thicker guy. So let's get to opening the actual juicer. So I saw this juicer once again on Amazon. It had a bunch of different reviews, good reviews, and for the price, it seemed pretty good. So we're gonna see. Got an installation guide here along with some directions. Excuse me. Got some recipes here as well. And I've looked up a lady on YouTube who has some really good videos about different juice recipes or different things. And so I will be, trying to make some of those recipes that I saw as well. And so the directions are here. I'm probably not going to read the directions, but pretty smart and pretty handy. Hope I didn't speak too soon. Here is the actual. Here is the actual. Bigger for some reason. That was kind of bigger than this, but yikes. Actual juicer. Things you push the vegetables down into. Is there. Clean up as I go. I'll be back. And I could have sworn they said this was like bigger. Oh well, I kind of wanted to be able to make a lot of juice at one time, so I'm gonna have to do it over again, but we're gonna make it work. I already bought it now. So this is the actual power part here. I actually have to run the dishwasher, so I'm gonna wash these bottles in the dishwasher first. They're glass, so I cannot see why they wouldn't be dishwasher safe. But while I do that, I'm going to go ahead and actually clean my juice machine and make some juice. And so, you guys want to. I may break some in 2 videos. I'm not really sure what I do yet. I'm gonna record it all at once. Clean as I go. Once again, I'll be back. So, got the juicer here. It's got the rev off on button like that, and I got a blender over there. So here goes the 2 cups that it comes in. Or the 2 cups that the juice goes in along with the pulp and stuff that you can use to do other stuff with. I saw on YouTube, and I gotta start getting names and building communities on YouTube where people actually freeze the pulp and use it in like water. And they use it as ice cubes in the water. I thought that was a really cool idea. And I may do that. I don't have any ice maker little trays, but I can pick up some from Walmart today. So, yeah. All right, so once again, you got the juicer, and I'm just gonna guess really quickly how this goes. And if I can't figure it out, then I'm gonna read the directions. But typical man behavior, we just like to do. Yep. So it goes like that on there, and then this goes like that on there. That's what you use it. Maybe this is kind of the lid. Yeah. Push the vegetables down in there, or the fruits and the vegetables down in there, and then you put the juicer on the side, I'm guessing. side, I'm guessing like that. And like that. And you have yourself the juicer. And so we're gonna get this stuff washed up. I'm not gonna videotape that, and then we're gonna actually make some juice. So I'm gonna make some juice, and then I think I'm just gonna do a separate video. So this was just kind of like an unboxing video. And so in the next video where I actually juice, I will actually show you how it works. So I need to get this all cleaned up and stuff like that. So of course I can use it. I always have to make sure it's washed and clean before I use it. And then if you want to click the next link right here, and I'll show you what I did to make some juice for a couple days. So I got 8 bottles. I wish I had, well, I say, during my research, I say juicing, it lasts for at least 3 days. So I'm a full-time student, and so I'm in class Tuesday and Thursday pretty much all day. So my goal is like to make some Wednesday, make some Monday, let it last till Wednesday. Well, I don't know. I haven't thought that far yet, to be honest. But feel free to ask any questions about this juicer, unboxing, price, whatever you want to know. Leave a comment below. I am trying to really get this YouTube channel going. As you see, I post car videos, I post Christian videos. Now I'm gonna be posting my workout, kind of my workout journey, my weight loss journey, and I want all you guys to be my accountability partner, all right? And I can be your accountability partner, because health is wealth, and as I get older, I just realize that it's really important to get healthier than I have been. And there's some things that run in my family that I want to hope to avoid. So after doing a lot of research, since juicing is the way. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. And I also have a couple Instagrams for the cars. If you're interested in cars, feel free to follow us on Instagram. One is 0 Dark 30 Camaro. I'll post it right here. And the other one is 3rd Gen Alive, which is the other Camaro right there. I'll post it right there. And then definitely Moments with Maurice. You're gonna see a bunch of stuff on this channel, and I want y'all to be a part of this physical fitness journey. Keep me motivated, keep me inspired. Leave me a comment. Leave me a inspirational quote down below in the comments. Would be great. Something I really want to do for myself, want to do for my kids, and for my future family. Whenever I get a spouse. So y'all have a good day. I hope to see y'all in the comments, and I hope to see y'all. And also, you can follow me on Facebook at Maurice Harris. That's my government. That's my government name. But yeah, we're on this journey. Let's hop on this journey together. If you have any juicing tips, you can email me at momentswithmaurice@gmail.com, or leave comments below. And I thank you guys once again for watching. Y'all be blessed.